Good day to all of you. Welcome to CBC Ministries Online PH. This is a ministry of Countryside Baptist Church, Pasig City, a local Baptist church in the heart of Pasig City. Marami pong salamat sa uh, pagpunta nyo sa page na ito, sa YouTube channel na ito, at dalangin ko na ito ay maging pagpapala sa bawat isa. Ang CBC Ministries Online PH ay isang ministeryo, a teaching ministry of Countryside Baptist Church, together with its seminary, Baptist Ministerial Seminary. At you could look at some of the social media here for related updates in our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram pages. So I just would like to explain the content of this channel. Ito po ang ating inaasahan na mapanood sa channel na ito. Una ay ang pang-araw-araw na devotion, morning devotion from Monday to Saturday. Normally nagbo-broadcast tayo depending on the availability of time from 7 o'clock or up to 8 or 9. But normally I broadcast 7 to 8. This is based on the commentary work of Dr. Bob Utley, and now we are on the Gospel of Mark, then afterwards 1st and 2nd Peter. Now this is just a 30 to 40 minute devotion, but this devotion is actually based on the exegetical and hermeneutical principles of grammatico-historical approach. So maganda po yung mga commentaries dito na ating inadapt through the work of Dr. Bob Utley. Nawa ay maging pakinabang sa atin sa pang-araw-araw ito. Ang ikalawa ay ang ating mga lessons tuwing Sunday. No, these are Sunday School lessons. We are basing our lesson on the ABCs of Christian Maturity by Robert Sargent. Now we ask his approval regarding the broadcast of this lesson, and he approved it. So every Sunday we are also giving PDF material, printed material to our congregation, and we'll have a broadcast through YouTube channel, this channel, and Facebook Live. Also every Sunday, we are also in the afternoon we are broadcasting our youth Bible study based on the 9 Marks Healthy Study Guide series of 9 marks. No? So, we are using the study guides, not the textbook. The intention is really indeed for the use of the churches, not only in America but also in the Philippines. We attribute this material to the 9 Marks publication. Okay? And then, every month, I'm also broadcasting my preaching lesson in our prayer gathering and Bible study. So this is every Thursday, first Thursday of the month. So there are various texts, selected texts, sometimes announced, sometimes not. And then we have study guides for seminary students. This is still a proposal that our first year students need to have some video materials uploaded. No, so in preparation for their online examination. So ilalagay din natin ito sa ating YouTube channel. And then lastly, I think this would entail participation from our viewers. We will answer a particular question, specific question every month, hopefully Lord willing. No? So ang gagawin lang natin, you write your comment sa comment box ng video ito ang inyong mga tanong patungkol sa pananampalatayang Kristiyano at mga bagay patungkol sa Biblia. So ilagay niyo lang yan sa comment box. So Lord willing, we could collate these questions and we could rebroadcast through this channel. Okay? So malaking tulong din kung maitataguyod natin ang channel na ito by, first of all, you like the video. Kahit wag na yung mukha ko. No, yung mismong video na lang. No, i-like natin. And then, of course, you press the subscribe button. So, it's important for us to subscribe so that we will know the updates also. And then yung thirdly is bell all, so that all notifications will be uh, directed to your email uh, kapag nais natin na i-access yung ibang mga videos na na-upload na natin dito. And then lastly, it's also important is to comment your questions. If not related to the video, this video, you could comment and ask question. Then we will have time to read the questions and make a monthly broadcast for this special topic. Okay? So sana matulungan nyo ako sa bagay na ito. Una, like. Then pangalawa, subscribe. And then bell all. And then fourthly is to comment on the comment box. Okay? So yun lamang po. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Nawa ay pagpalain tayo sa mga susunod na videos. Now, by the way, may mga playlist tayo. You could click on the playlist and watch the series of studies na inyong napili. So maraming pong salamat at God bless us all.